Hey, Travels with Dottie here, and I have today's positive news story, or should I say stories. I got these little tidbits from Reader's Digest, and the first one is about a woman that was in checkout at the grocery store, and she was $12 short, so she began putting things back so she could afford the groceries, and a man behind her whipped out a $20 bill and paid for it. And he said, "I'm happy to do this. Let me explain. My mother's in the hospital with cancer, and I've been coming to her every day in the hospital with flowers." And my mother finally said, "Enough. Take the money that you're spending on flowers and do something good in the world for someone." So these groceries are from my mother. It's a good one. Another story is a guy is struggling in the construction business over, should I retire now or not? It was time, he could do it, and he was struggling with it until he ran into a young man that he worked with previously who had a wife and a couple of kids, and he found out he was struggling. He couldn't find work. The next day, he went and he put in his retirement papers and gave this man's out as someone that could replace him. And you know what? That man got a job and has worked ever since. There's another story about a woman that lost her husband tragically, and she was very worried over the fact that she was not going to have any income. They really had little savings, and she just wondered even where she was going to get money for groceries. Yet, mysteriously, every morning, groceries showed up left at her front door for a really long time, and she never found out who it was that engaged in that anonymous act of kindness. I thought this would brighten your day. It's sure brightened mine.